Hey guys, the South Geek here. In this video I will show to you how to install the, in this case, this an i7 uh, processor on this particular motherboard. This Asus P8 P67 Pro. So what you have to do is to press on this lever right here. Put it to the side. This is spring loaded, so it will make a little bit of force. As you can see, the top cover lifts up. Yeah, you want to carefully remove the protective cover, so you can see all the contacts. Right. What it says here is you must uh, remove this cover lifting from this tab, right? Then what you're gonna do is gently take your processor. This has two notches, one over here and the other on the other side, that match with two notches on the uh, try whatever, don't know the exact name, but now just put the cover again, and with the it's actually uh, pretty tough. You have to depress the lever itself, put it back right on there. As you can see, the processor would not move. Now you want to install the heat dissipator fan. As you can see, this model already have the paste, grease, whatever. So what you want to do is just put it on position. It's kind of hard task trying to do this looking on the camera. Give me a second. So there you go. It's now in place. Now you have to secure it with this there you go. Seems to be right. there you have it. Now the rest of the parts. See you on the next one. Bye bye.